ब्रह्मचारी गुरुकुले वसन्तान्तो गुरोर्हितम् आचरन् दासवन्नीचो गुरौ सुदृढसौहृदः। हम पढ़ रहे हैं माय ग्लोरियस मास्टर बाय हिज ग्रेस भूरिजन प्रभु, होनोलुलु हवाई 1976। So we have seen so far the conversation where Bhurijana Prabhu's doubts or hesitations were answered in terms of what is the right thing to do, book distribution or making a show of humility and chanting. Bhurijana Prabhu was also given another thing. You have to do two things simultaneously, preaching and deity worship. What is the special advantage of deity worship? One remains regulated and clean. deity worship यानी अर्चना सेवा करने से भगवान की हमारा दिनचर्या नियमित रहती है और स्वच्छ रहते हैं, हम सत्वगुण में स्थित रहते हैं। So now Bhurijan Prabhu is giving purport to all this exchange that happened between him and Prabhupada. Prabhupada was satisfied that I had properly understood, and he immediately left the book distribution point to cite a second fault in the devotional stance adopted by the outside devotees. Neglecting the temple means neglecting deity worship, which is meant to keep us internally and externally pure. जैसे ही मैंने सही समझावट प्राप्त की है, ऐसा प्रभुपाद जी ने देखा, तो उन्होंने वो बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का जो पॉइंट चल रहा था वो छोड़ दिया। अभी नया सेकंड पॉइंट इंट्रोड्यूस किया चर्चा में। क्या पॉइंट था वो? कि जो भक्त लोग मंदिर में आकर जुड़ते नहीं हैं सेवाओं से, जो डेटी वर्शिप से डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड नहीं होते हैं, ऐसे लोग अर्चना को उपेक्षा करने के कारण अस्वच्छ रहते हैं आंतरिक और बाह्य रूप से। They become internally and externally unclean. By the end of this conversation, I felt a more honest and deepened relationship with Prabhupada. इस संभाषण के बाद मेरा अपना संबंध प्रामाणिक और गहरा होते हुए प्रभुपाद जी के साथ मुझे दिखाई दिया। What kind of relationship one should have? Honest and deep relationship. Guru Sudrudha Saurudha. What is the means of getting that accomplished? What is the means of getting that accomplished? Hearing and serving, especially having crucial conversations. You understand? Crucial conversation means if you don't talk about that subject, there is some risk involved with your spiritual life. If you don't talk about that subject, your emotions are going to run high. भावनाओं का खेल होने वाला है. If you don't talk about that subject, your opinions are different, your visions are not in the same line with your guru. So what are the three things that make a conversation crucial? Great risk if you don't talk about it. You lose something big. Second, high emotions are going to make you take wrong decisions. भावना प्रधान होने के कारण. और third, what is the third thing? Difference of opinion. Vision is not the same. You are working on something and the other person wants you to work on something else. Anywhere these three components exist simultaneously, that conversation is called as crucial conversation. And if you don't learn how to have such conversations properly with people, then you usually don't make it in good relationships, nor do you produce good results. So once again, crucial conversation means then stakes are high, emotions are running strong, and opinions and visions vary, and they need to be brought on the same line. That is called crucial conversation. So because Bhurijan Prabhu had an honest and a very, very straightforward conversation with Prabhupada, he could see that I have transcended my misunderstanding, my foolishness, my lack of faith or trust, my inability to appreciate what other devotees are doing or what Prabhupada is asking us to do. So all that was vanished. Like when the sun comes up, all the fog goes away. Similarly, there is a lot of fog in the head, and you have a nice crucial conversation with someone, everything becomes clear after that. Who am I? What am I to do? What are we doing together? By the end of this conversation, I felt a more honest and deepened relationship with Prabhupada. I had lost my fear, and my affection and devotion and surrender to Prabhupada as a father and a wise master had increased. प्रभुपाद जी का डर कम हो गया था मेरे हृदय से, और प्रभुपाद जी मेरे मालिक हैं, स्वामी हैं, और मेरे प्रेम, श्रद्धा और शरणागति के योग्य हैं, बहुत ही बुद्धिमान ऐसे मेरे प्रभु हैं. इस पर मेरा विश्वास बढ़ गया. Prabhupada's calling me into his association had removed both misconceptions and ignorance about his actual desire. जिस तरीके से प्रभुपाद जी ने मुझे बुलाया इस संभाषण के लिए, अपना पर्सनल व्यक्तिगत संग प्रदान किया, उससे दो चीज़ें हुई. मेरी गलत धारणाएं नष्ट हो गई, और मेरा जो अज्ञान था, प्रभुपाद जी की वास्तविक इच्छा क्या है, वो चाहते क्या है हमसे, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था क्लियरली. अभी मुझे वो समझ में आ गया. He had corrected me, but in an exacting way. उन्होंने मुझे ठीक सुस्थित करने के लिए करेक्शन दिया था, लेकिन ऐसे मानो कोई व्यक्ति बहुत डिमांड कराकर उस पर जोर देकर करवा लेता है. Exacting way. He removed that which he judged inappropriate, yet left that which others had judged inappropriate. तो उन्होंने मेरे चित्त से उन चीज़ों को हटा दिया जो गलत थी, और उन्होंने वो चीज़ों को रहने दिया मेरे चित्त में जिसको लोग गलत समझ रहे थे, लेकिन प्रभुपाद जी गलत नहीं समझ रहे. He made clear a principle and offered me a template to make further discriminations. तो उन्होंने तत्व क्या है जिस पर हमें गौर करना है वो स्पष्ट करा दिया, और फिर उन्होंने मुझे एक विचार करने के लिए एक आकृति प्रदान की. टेम्पलेट, व्हाट डू यू कॉल, मराठीमध्ये आराखडा म्हणतात, जिसके द्वारा मैं सही निर्णय भविष्य में ले पाऊंगा. उन्होंने मुझे एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर बना के दिया मेरे मन में कि मुझे अभी नए नए जब निर्णय होने पड़ेंगे और कुछ, तो मैं उसके आधार पर अच्छे निर्णय ले सकूंगा. He had exposed the error in my thinking without judging all my thoughts as incorrect. मेरे विचार में जो गलतियां थी वो उन्होंने दर्शाई, लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा नहीं बताया कि तुम्हारे सारे विचार गलत हैं. उन्होंने ऐसे जजमेंट नहीं पास किया मेरे ऊपर. What is the nature of judgment and discrimination? कौन बता सकता है क्या फ़र्क है? How do you know I am judging you, and how do you know that I am discriminating about what is right and wrong? If I tell Vasudev, you should not play with your foot while sitting in the class, it's very unclean. Am I judging you, or I'm just is that the right type of correction, or is that a judgment? How do you know? कैसे पता चलता? Very nice. Discrimination is on the basis of Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. Judgment is on the basis of my own needs, wants, emotions, then I judge others. So that is a big difference. So Prabhupada never judged him. Prabhupada actually gave him clear understanding, corrected him, just to improve his thinking. That's all. तो आप देखोगे कि आपके गुरु जो हैं वो करेक्शन इस प्रकार से देते हैं कि आपके मन में जो गलत धारणाएं हो रही हैं, आपके एक्शंस जो गलत जा रहे हैं, उसको वो ठीक करा देते हैं. जैसे ही आप उसको ठीक करा देते हो, उनका गुस्सा भी चला जाता है और उनका आपके प्रति जो सद्भावना है वो वैसे ही रहती है, हमेशा के जैसे. उसमें कोई कमी नहीं आती. तो इससे पता चलता है कि देखो, ही वॉज नॉट जजिंग यू. व्हेन द करेक्शन इज अप्लाइड and the guru becomes satisfied, or he does not take that further to make a case against you. Once you have improved it, it's done and dusted. That means he actually had no bad intention in giving you that correction. He just wanted that wrong thing be improved. Otherwise he is pally with you. He is very much a buddy. Guru Sudruda Sauhrudaha. Later I saw one of Prabhupada's sannyasi disciples after he had just heard the tape of my conversation with Prabhupada. इस संभाषण के बाद मेरी मुलाकात हुई प्रभुपाद जी के एक सन्यासी शिष्य से. उन्होंने मेरा और प्रभुपाद जी का यह संभाषण सुना था, उसका टेप रिकॉर्डिंग सुना था बाद में. His eyes were dreamy and star-filled. उस संभाषण को सुनने के बाद उनकी आंखें कैसी थी, मानो कोई स्वप्न देख रही हो और उन्हें बहुत सारा आनंद महसूस हो रहा हो. लाइक अ यंग इन लव. जैसे कोई युवावस्था में कोई प्रेम करने लगता है किसी के साथ, उसकी आंखें कैसी हो जाती हैं, वैसे उनका स्वरूप दिख रहा था. He obviously felt very fully sanctioned and he said, Prabhupada said the end justifies the means. We should distribute books by hook or by crook. तो उनको ये अच्छा लगा था कि प्रभुपाद जी ने कहा कि जो परिणाम है उससे उपाय ठीक है कि नहीं वो समझ में आता है. एंड जस्टिफाइज द मीन्स. उन्होंने ये भी कहा था कि बाय हुक और क्रूक डिस्ट्रीब्यूट माई बुक. ये करो वो करो, जो करना है करो, पुस्तक वितरण करके आओ. Prabhupada had said it. प्रभुपाद जी ने ज़रूर ऐसा कहा था. Years later when I reminded that sannyasi of his words, he remarked. बहुत सालों के बाद मैंने उस सन्यासी को वापस उसकी वो स्थिति याद दिलाई. He said, after hearing that conversation, I went on to proceed to wreak havoc. वो संभाषण सुनने के बाद मैंने तबाही मचा दी. क्या किया उन्होंने? Prabhupada had ordered his books distributed. The sannyasi had tried thinking that as long as the number of books he distributed increased, his actions were pleasing to Prabhupada. क्या गलती किया उन्होंने? जब तक पुस्तक वितरण का नंबर बढ़ रहा है तब तक मैं किसी भी तरीके से क्यों ना करूं पुस्तक वितरण, वो सब सही है, ऐसा उन्होंने मान लिया था. He had however caused difficulties both within the temples and with the public. उनके इस व्यवहार के कारण मंदिरों को तकलीफ हुई थी, भक्तों को, और पब्लिक को, समाज को तकलीफ हुआ था जिस तरीके से उन्होंने पुस्तक वितरण किया. हाउ मिस्टीरियस इज स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ. आध्यात्मिक जीवन कितना गंभीर है, गहन है. कंप्लीटली इनकॉम्प्रिहेंसिबल टू अ मटीरियलिस्ट. भौतिकवादी को ये सब समझ में नहीं आएगा हम क्या बड़बड़ कर रहे हैं एग्जैक्टली, ये सारा वर्णन. वी मस्ट सर्व आवर स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर सिंसियरली एंड अबाइड बाय हिज ऑर्डर्स विदाउट हेजिटेशन. हमें अपने आध्यात्मिक गुरु को संतुष्ट करना है, उनके आदेशों को तंतोतंत पालन करके, बिना हिचकिचाहट किए. इवन इफ वी आर अनेबल टू डू इट परफेक्टली. हालांकि हमें उसको नहीं करने आता अच्छे से, फिर भी अच्छे से करने का प्रयास करना है. Nevertheless, mistakes, even those committed in all sincerity, may prove costly both to ourselves and to others. लेकिन अगर हम गलती करते हैं, प्रामाणिक होते हुए गलती करते हैं, तो उसका हमें भुगतना पड़ेगा परिणाम, खुद के जीवन में भी और दूसरों के जीवन में भी. ये इसका मतलब क्या है? Even with all sincerity, if we commit mistakes, we will suffer. कोई उदाहरण देगा इसका? Any example?
वो लाइन हिंदी में
In all sincerity, we are trying to follow instruction given, but we are still committing mistakes in following. So it will cause damage to us and others. I want examples. Parth. Okay.
जैसे मैं आपको कुछ सेवा कर रहा हूँ दाल में, और उसमें गलती से किसी को लग मेरा उसमें इंटेंशन नहीं है कि उसको लगना लग जाए तो
Like somebody went to do some go seva, and he, in all sincerity, he was doing things that he was doing, and somebody got hurt. So then that once hurt, it remains, even though you can say, well, that was not my intention to hurt you. You moved some object from here to there and somebody came in between. You know, whatever. Any other example? Chitraketu Maharaj, what did he do? In his friendship, he criticized Shiva, and that was taken as mistake by Parvati, and it caused damage to him also and to others also. He became Rutrasura. Dasharath Maharaj, in his pastime, we see that he went to get water. No. He had gone for hunting, and Shravan. We have a Shravan here. So Shravan had gone, his parents were blind, they were old. So on their order, he had gone to fetch water. So he put the lota inside the river, it made some sound like that. And as it made that sound, Dasharath Maharaj thought that some animal has come to drink water. And he shot an arrow, and he had Shabda Vedhi. In the direction of the sound, he shot the arrow, and Shravan died. And as soon as he died, Dasharath Maharaj was shocked. He said, I came for hunting actually, and I have killed a human being. And then Dasharath Maharaj had to get cursed, that you will also suffer separation from your son in due course of time. So sometimes we commit a mistake, we don't intend to do it, we are all sincere, but still we'll have to face consequences for it.
कभी कभी शरीर में नीचे से ज़्यादा सर करते हैं किसी का सर बटे
Any other?
कल कंप्लीट देने आया था, वो गलती से दरिया का नाम बोला था, मुझे उसको खत नहीं करना था, गलती से क्या किया?
Okay. He didn't know the name exactly. So he just said some name and that caused havoc. Without intention. So what is the point? What the point here is, when we commit mistake, we cannot blame it on our sincerity, saying that, well, I was sincerely trying to do something good. That is not acceptable. You have to take responsibility for the mistake. हम कितना भी प्रामाणिकता से क्यों ना करें, लेकिन अगर गलती हो जाती है तो उस गलती को हमें स्वीकार करना होगा, उसके परिणाम को भुगतना होगा. ठीक. Any other reflections or comments? So what are the two instructions Prabhupada wanted to emphasize as a critique to the people that Bhurijan Prabhu was following wrongly? They had given some instructions to him and he was trying to follow, and those two things were going wrong. क्या है वो दो चीज़ें? Neglecting deity worship, coming to the temple, being in the presence of the deities and devotees, and neglecting book distribution. Going and directly meeting the public and facing the brunt of the battle. So he was trying to avoid these two. And Prabhupada pointed that out. What is the fault that Prabhupada pointed out? Either case. What will happen if we don't do those two things? क्या होगा अगर हम नहीं करेंगे बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और डेटी वर्शिप? हरे कृष्णा.
अगर हम डेटी
वर्शिप नहीं करेंगे तो हम तीनों भगवान से नहीं होंगे।
ओके, डेटी वर्शिप को निग्लेक्ट करेंगे तो वी विल मिस ऑन क्लेanliness एंड वी विल मिस ऑन रेगुलेशन इन लाइफ. ओके, इफ यू निग्लेक्ट बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन व्हाट विल हैपन? शिवम, बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा? अद्वैत, धैर्य, हिमांशु.
हम बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं करेंगे तो हमको मतलब ज्ञान नहीं आएगा और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए हमें खुद बुक पढ़ना पड़ेगा।
वो पॉइंट नहीं है. बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन न करने का फॉल्ट क्या बताया प्रभुपाद ने? हाउ डिड ही करेक्ट दैट मेंटालिटी दैट दिस फोर्सफुल बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया?
तो पहले पैम्पलेट दिखाओ फिर पूछो मैं
मेथड नहीं पूछ रहे हम, रीज़न पूछ रहे हैं. फॉल्ट का कारण क्या है, उसको कैसे हटाना है?
आप वो लोग जो कह रहे हैं कि बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इतना हार्श नहीं करना चाहिए, मैं तो कहती हूँ वो खुद अपने गुरु का आदेश फॉलो नहीं करते.
Correct. The fault is that they are not following the instruction of their Guru Maharaj. Prabhupada got instruction from his Guru Maharaj, preach and print. He is trying to follow that instruction. And he is asking us also to do the same thing. Preach and print. Means print in our case means distribute. Unless we are capable of writing nice books and publishing them. But we distribute what Prabhupada has written. So not following instruction of Prabhupada or the spiritual master is the fault in not doing book distribution. Okay. Any comments or questions? I know this pastime is little heavy and it has got too many subtle points and it is long purport. I can't help it. I have to complete this book. It's just 10 pages remaining. And I am going to do it, no matter how difficult it is sometimes to grasp what is going on between them. See, we have studied the entire book, can you believe? And what pastimes? Any other questions?
हम देख सकते हैं कि बुक जैसे हमारा स्टार्टिंग से लेके अब तक था, तो हर एक पॉइंट पे पाठन के बाद पॉइंट सेटल होते आ रहे, तो हमारा भक्ति पोएट्री योगा लैडर से डिस्कस करते हैं.
Correct. The book helped us join the bhakti lift, giving up the yoga ladder. That's one effect he is saying of reading this book. You understand? Bhakti lift. So whatever mentality we are at, we just adopt bhakti fully and make quick progress to highest level of consciousness. That is bhakti lift. Yoga ladder क्या है? We are thinking maybe I should take to karma, maybe I should take to jnana, maybe I should take to yoga. And slowly, little by little, I'll make progress. So, we moved off the ladder to the lift. That is his reflection. Any other? We were having some things going on in our heart daily, and every day we heard this book and its reflections. It was directly addressing many of those issues. How many of you felt like that? किस किस को लगा कि ये पुस्तक रोज सुनता था, मेरे को ऐसा लगता था मेरे बारे में बोल रहे लोग. अच्छा. So, what an interesting thing.
कभी भी अपने खुद का पॉइंट प्रूव करने के लिए या सामने वाले का पॉइंट डिस्प्रूव करने के लिए अपने
Very important. Prabhupada never argued with anybody just to prove his point or to defeat the opponent's point. Prabhupada only argued to establish the correctness of the Shastra. He wanted to establish how we should do. Both of us should live in such a way that we follow this principle because it is given in the Shastras. I am not your enemy, you are not my enemy. We are discussing to become friends in such a way that we follow this common principle. This is how you should debate with people. Any other reflection? Alright, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Om Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.